náà Yínká Aláṣeyọrí ìwọ náà ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó tọ́ sí ẹ lẹ́nu àbí mo dẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹbí ọlọ́run gbórùn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ yẹn á ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìdílé ẹ̀ orin wo ló mọ̀ ọkọ náà Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí má bínú tiẹ̀ mi mọ̀ pé lórí burúkú ọmọlọmọ Yínká yìí o mi mọ̀ pé tó máa padà yàrá ìwọ náà ń jáde òun sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jábí amọ̀ gidi ní Yínká Aláṣeyọrí tó yẹ kí ìró wà lára ẹ mo máa blame ara mi pé mo support ìwọ idiot yìí o àṣeyọrí wo ló ní olórí burúkú oníwọ̀ Yínká Aláṣeyọrí aláṣẹdànù ni ẹ Yínká Aláṣẹdànù idiot Aláṣeyọrí àbíké ló ń pè ẹ ọjọ́ ọ̀hún rè tó mú ẹ débi pẹ́pẹ́yẹ tó lọ jórin olórin kọ ládùúrú tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà àwa ti ìlú òyìnbó gan à ń sunkún sínú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó jí gbé tọ̀mọ̀ kankan tó jí gbé l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ tí gbogbo Nàìjíríà wà nínú tọ́káyà sókè ìwọ wá jáde irú ẹ̀yìn ìka ẹjọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ o Yínká Aláṣeyọrí àwọn aláfẹ̀rú bàbùkù ta lọ sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì orin olórin tó lọ jí kọ tí gbogbo wa fún ẹ sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì pé kébi máa pa ó rí bó ṣe rí bí akàn nígbà tó máa dé ni tójú ẹ rí lẹ́wúlẹ́wú bí ojú ẹ mọ́ tó jáde nù wò kóté wọ́n gbọ́ àwọn àgbàlagbà gbogbo wọn jáde ní indọ́sírì gbogbo àwọn ọ̀yá gbogbo àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba inú òjò nínú ẹ̀rùn táwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wà nínú igbó tó jí wọn gbé lọ wọ́n jí àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ gbé bẹ̀ yẹn ìwọ ní God láti máa sọ ìsọkúsọ lẹ́nu olóòórùn.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arákùnrin yìí tí ẹ̀ ń wò lójú àwòrán yín yìí ó gbé arábìnrin yìí ṣépè gidi gan ni o ó gbé Yínká Aláṣeyọrí ṣẹ́ àwọn èpè ńláńlá àwọn èpè tó tóbi burúkú ló gbé ṣẹ́ ẹ̀yin tèmi kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arákùnrin yìí ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò ní tán lẹ̀ ni.
Yínká Aláṣeyọrí Yínká Aláṣeyọrí Obama ti sọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba náà Obama ti sọ̀rọ̀ pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì kí ló sọ̀rọ̀ pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì fún you know say they go drag you I don't know some people no even know say they be public figure why they talk gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń ṣe ń lọ tí ẹ bẹ maybe say everybody dey para everybody dey vex you still come dey talk say they dey try even if you want to say they are trying there is a way there is a it not be only Yínká Aláṣeyọrí go talk about am na I've watched a lot of videos that made us to understand that to be a leader is not easy. Our Nigerian, there are people for our Nigerian people. They don't hear anything. We too they do say we too they do everything we want to talk. Every small thing drag. We too like drag. We too like fight for this country. It be like it there among of the reasons why the countries have not they move forward. We just too like drag. We don't even know if we want even correct somebody. Say we know you could call it drag person like say you don't get the best for mind. Why? I've watched a lot of videos. I've watched a lot of videos concerning this lady, Yínká Aláṣeyọrí. None of them spoke very well. None of them. I mean, there's a way you can address somebody, at least address the person, at least without putting hate and all those things. Yeah? One can have any opinion out here now. Everybody have their own different kind of opinions. Where did the worry yourself for this country? But yourself, as you don't start with prayer. Prayer is the key. Prayer. Now, so we dey learn on that day now. But as we pray, we don't pray. Tire. Not do anything now. You can't make yourself reason. You don't do anything. Prayer not do anything. Prayer they work for individual. You don't they work for the country again. You know they work. We don't pray. We don't tire. Now we need action. As you do on that prayer level, we suppose don't they push. Suppose don't. Just day for that prayer, start that kind of thing. Yínká Aláṣeyọrí, only prayer le ko dúró lé lórí. But the moment you now started saying that, the president is trying, if you to fuck up on here, and now people they know they hear anything they could drag you. I don't know. Our people they sleep for inside dream that they drag, they still they drag people inside dream. We like dragging for this country. Yínká, you don't know. In fact, I was disappointed. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in that video wey you do. But Yoruba náà ló pa lówe pé ọmọ ẹni ò lè burú ká lè fẹ́ kùn pàjẹ́. Una wey dey do video Una own too much. You don't do. Now where they do video, where they talk about where they condemn her. You can condemn her speech, but don't condemn her. I watched one Baba video. The Baba, hey, this Baba analyze the way you be before you. Man be crazy. This man, Baba and they analyze it. In fact, Otu YINKA ALASEYORI ni pepe ye. Olo da pepe boy gba ton mo edin gba yen. To da pepe ye. Fear catch me. It's like what? No, now maybe they take a easy. No, they take a easy, I beg. Maybe they, now when you mess up, you know, nobody really send your papa or nobody really like you. Maybe we no use YINKA ALASEYORI now as a distraction. Maybe we leave her. If now want talk, now want address, now there's a way you can light it possible. There's a way you can disagree. That's the right the right word. There's a way you can disagree without insults. Maybe now they do things like this now. Now why the government say they make us they play, they use us they play? Because they know they see us as a serious person. Any small thing we don't talk, embarrass. It's tiring. I beg. Maybe now leave YINKA, and maybe we focus on the same thing. When they go on, maybe we leave YINKA. Because now small thing like this, now small now they start to, now so they start. Now so now small thing we now they pay attention to. YINKA yourself, mention not be everything. If you don't know, if you don't get what you want to talk, shut up. Don't be everything good. Talk say he's trying. I'm on a while from now. I beg. Anyway, peace and love.